welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click this rock the notification. Give it a huge thumbs up. Today we're having to open our calendar because today's December 1. That's the day we started opening our calendar. Magnus, let's open our first Amigo Garashi one. Let's open our first one. We've got Hello Cool candy. Check it out. It's a zombie. Let's try to eat it. Okay, I'll just take a bite and eat it, and I'll start, and then start doing it. Yeah, okay. Don't look at me. Okay. Here you go, Magnus. I'm almost help you. Okay. 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 Now, you know that these calendars are so cool that they have like gummies and marshmallows, and this one has a storybook, and so cool that they're so cool. These candy, we can eat them. They're so cool. There's gummies. That means these gummies, and then we have jam-filled marshmallows in there. So don't look at it. Nothing. At least that you know that our calendar. There's a secret one later that we're gonna open, but we'll leave it for later.
It's yummy.
Don't put the rubbish there.
It's so yummy.
So anyway.
So there has books and candies here.
Never mind. So then we remove this now.
We have so many.
Now let's open our second one. So open. Ooh. Here's the first one. Let me open it right now. Looks like I got a pencil. And the Ariel book.
Wow. Number one.
It's all about Ariel.
Wow.
Wow. Let's open your fun bag out. Look, come here. Ooh, cool. Let's open it right now. But anyways, let's put them back like this and put them. Can I just put them like this? Okay. So, let's close it back and the final secret one. You guess what it is? It is slime. Okay, so let's just remove this. Okay, put it there. Now let's see that we're gonna unbox now. Looks like we didn't open the first one. Can you help me? Okay, so it's quite hard to get out, so I'll ask my dad to get it. Daddy? Can you help me open the first one?
Daddy, I can open. Daddy, I can open.
First one, get out this one, then we can get out the other one.
Give me.
So now I'm gonna open this blind bag. Okay. And you see that it's a happy holiday and all these Christmas things. And in the back, you can make the slime and hung, and this is the slide. Okay, so let's see. We've got the slime. Look at this. Look at this powder. I don't know what it's for, but I'll just put it back in so I can see what it goes. That's all of our calendars. So these are all our calendars. You see as this, we have this, or you like this one more, or my brother's one. So see you next time. Bye.